Jay's Farm, where we take quality production products, and as we assured you earlier, in our edition, we will take you through Poultry cage farming. Welcome. The name suggests this is a Poultry cage. I suggest that is where the names were found from. In our case here, we have two sections whereby we have several cages which consist of one section, and we also have the second section. Well, we used simple iron rods in building this. You can also try it by help of welding, and as you can see, these are just simple rods whereby we used, and we have bolts that we also tightened it with. And apart from that, we also used simple gutters. We use them as feeders, and we use them as our feeders, and we also use the pipes that are using, I will explain to you that later, where the water enters through the teeth here. This one were just bought in the shops. Many people may be asking, why did I take Poultry cage farming? Poultry cage farming has very many advantages. One of them is that feeding is very easy, and whereby we use the feeders in feeding them, there is limited wasting of the feeds compared to even free range farming, whereby you use a lot of feeds. The other advantage is that in Poultry cage farming, you find that collection of eggs is very simple. Compared to other kinds of poultry farming, you'll find that the eggs are destroyed, but not in this case. You'll get that the eggs are very clean, and their droppings are not picked or tampered with the eggs. This farming is that the droppings are easily found in the middle, making my work easier in cleaning, whereby in the evening I'll do the clearance and eventually use them as manure in my farm. Well, we have other advantages, but I'll brush through quickly. Other advantages include disease has been reduced, and we also have the challenge that may come about whereby other hens pick on each other. That is also reduced. That's all I had for you today. See you next time. Bye.